it's your girl Eko Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well. On today's kitchen, I'm preparing garden egg stew with boiled yam. So sit back and follow me step by step how I prepare my garden egg stew with boiled yam. So let's go on with our ingredients. I have my garden eggs, red oil, mackerel, eggs, sardine, salt to taste, my yam, fresh tomatoes, Scottish pepper, salted fish, kako, ginger, garlic cube, and then my onion. So I'm first cutting my garden eggs into two and then boil it. I've already washed it, then cut the top. I'm adding water on it. Then add my 3 kako. Want to boil it a little bit. Cover it and put it on fire. Whilst our garden eggs is on fire, let's start peel our yam and then boil it. You can cut it anyhow that you prefer. Peeling it like this, and these two can peel it like this. You can also peel it like this. I'm cutting it into two before I cut it into smaller size. This is the second time that I'm washing it. So I'm arranging it in different bowl and then cook it. I think you can find those yam only in West Africa. I think West Africa eats this yam. Very delicious. You can fry it, boil it, or roast it. It's delicious. I'm adding a little bit of salt to it. It's okay. And then add my eggs. Cover it and put it on fire. Okay. I don't want my kako to be too soft. So right now I'm removing it. And then add my fresh tomatoes. Just to cook it a little bit. Cover it again. We are going to finish right now And I'm going to grind my Scottish pepper, ginger, garlic, and then onion. I'm cutting it into pieces for it to make it easier to grind it. This is the ginger. The garlic. A little bit of salt to sprinkle it on it for me to make it easier. This locally. I'm making it locally. Delicious. I'm removing my tomatoes. It's okay for me. Put it aside. Told you, it doesn't waste time. I'm going to finish right now. Don't want it to be too smoothly because it's a boom. It's a pesi. Bayram pesi. Onion for the oil. It's good. Hi guys. I'm adding my oil on fire to start my sauce. I'm going to fry it a bit. I'm adding my salted fish, momone with modum, and then add my onions. Then add my kako too. I'm adding my tomatoes, ginger and garlic. I'm not going to wash inside. I'm going to use it again for for the garden eggs. So you stir it together with the oil. Then have to lower your fire too. Guys, I don't like the skin, so I'm removing the skin out of it, and then some of the seed too is too much. Removing some of it too. Then we grind some and then put it some too inside our sauce like that. Nice. I'm adding my cube to it. You can use any spices that you prefer. And you stir it a little bit. Then add my sardine. The sardine, I'm adding everything including the oil. You stir it, then leave it about 2 minutes, then we add our mackerel. Adding my mackerel. It's very big inside, just only 2, that's very big. I'm breaking it. And stir it gradually. Guys, I'm grinding half of my garden eggs, and then the half I'm going to break it into pieces into the gravy. I'm going to grind it for it to be smooth. Just break it a little bit. Please try this recipe for me because it's very delicious. It tastes good. Guys, I'm adding my grinded garden eggs inside my gravy, the tomatoes. And stir it. The ampese is going to be very delicious. This one I'm just using my hands. Spring it like this. Use my hands. Doesn't have any formula. Try this recipe. You're going to thank me. If I'm not loving ampese, you're going to love ampese. You can even enjoy it with plantain or rice. You stir it together and then taste if the salt is okay for you. Adding a little bit of salt to taste. The salt is not too much. Hello, my ampese is ready. Boiled yam with garden egg stew. Hey, that's why I really enjoy the kitchen. Tastes good. Kako, come here. Hey. It really tastes good. If today is the first time of watching this video, please subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. For those people who have already subscribed to this channel, I say a very big thank you to you all. And for those who haven't subscribed and still watching this video, please subscribe and come and join this family, because this kitchen is very exciting. You're going to enjoy our yum. You are all invited. Guys, we are not joking here. In fact, it really tastes good and delicious. Try it for your girl. See you in our next recipe. Bye-bye.